Lift your chin and just wait. Now bend. Turn. Lift your chin. And go. Walk. Scoop the earth and make the wind. Good. Prance to your places. 3 groups. Good. Spirit. Turn around. Circle it. Point this way. Now slide. 2, 3 hop. Now prance to your 2 lines. Now kneeling down. Kneel. Kneel. Roll. Get up. Good. Wolf. Good. Turning. Why he grins. Scoop it up to the mountain. Good. Turn your back to the circle and paint. Keep painting. Keep painting. Wait. Now turn and scarf to the outside and run. Run, run, run. Make the circle. Fantastic, ladies.